Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Cabinet approves revised PLI scheme. Recently, the Cabinet has approved a revised production-linked incentive, that is PLI scheme of Rs 26,058 crore for the auto and drone sector. The scheme will promote high-value advanced automotive technology vehicles and products. The objective of this scheme is to promote domestic manufacturing and generate employment. Under the scheme, Rs 25,938 crore will be for the auto sector and Rs 120 crore for the drone industry. The scheme will lead to an investment of Rs 5,000 crore, increase in qualified sales of Rs 1,500 crore and create employment of about 10,000 jobs over a period of 3 years. The PLI scheme released for automobile and drone industries is a part of overall announcement of PLI schemes for 13 sectors already released during Union Budget 2021-22. The scheme will encourage industries to make new investments for advanced automotive technology products and indigenous global supply chain. The scheme is open to existing automotive companies as well as new investors, that is, those who are not currently in automobile or auto component manufacturing business are also eligible. The scheme has two major components: Champion OEM Incentive Scheme and Component Champion Incentive Scheme. Champion OEM Incentive Scheme is a sales value linked scheme applicable to all segments of battery electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. The Component Champion Incentive Scheme is a sales value linked scheme applicable to advanced automotive components of vehicles, completely knocked down or semi-knocked down kits, aggregates of two-wheeler, three-wheeler passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, etc. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.